Ladies, did you know that you can turn your social media activities into a real source of income, all from the comfort of your home and without spending a dime? With just your phone, of which I know you have a smartphone, and the right strategy, you can start earning daily, monthly, and even you can start a passive income strategy at a go. Right now, I want to tell you that you can start earning money online. And since it's the eve of International Women's Day, what's better time really to talk about financial independence for women? The reality of women are active on social media, but many they don't earn. You can agree with me. Let's tour a tour on TikTok, let's tour a tour on Snapchat, on Twitter, everywhere. Women are just there, but do they earn? It's a question. If you're there and you earn, please put it in the comment section. We see it every day. Women are leading conversations on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. You are engaging with the trends. They are posting. They are doing all sorts of things like lifestyle content and building communities. But here is the thing. Most women aren't making money from it at all. And how do I know? I know it from their deeds. Because if you're making money on these platforms, there are things that would need to take your time, like quarreling, like rumor mongering, like biting, knowing who is who slept with who didn't sleep with who. Platforms like TikTok creators, platforms like TikTok's Creator Fund, YouTube AdSense, and Instagram monetization aren't enough for most creators. So instead of waiting for those pennies, let's talk about real ways you can start making money today. How to make money with social media without investing anything. No investment is needed. Become a UGC creator. What do I mean UGC creator? UGC creator is user-generated content. Brands are looking for everyday women to create relatable content for them. You don't need thousands of followers, just a phone and creativity. Sign up on platforms like Below or join brands and start earning by making simple videos. Option 2 for you women to make money on social media with your phone is to venture in affiliate marketing. No need to sell anything here, you guys. We are not talking about you to go and sell something, no. You don't have to be an influencer to earn from affiliate marketing. Share links to products you love on Amazon, TikTok Shop, or share sale. Every time someone buys through your link, you get a commission. So what is hard for you to get a commission when you're seated at the comfort of your home? You are not investing anything. Just get 30 minutes and do, edit, think. Instead of you using 1 hour, 2 hours to go and talk even things which are not necessary. Let's see the option 3. Sell digital products. Ebooks like templates, guides, and even other things you can think of. Are you good at organizing, fitness, or even budgeting? You can create simple PDFs or templates and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. No inventory, no shipping cost, just pure profit. Who does not like this? Ladies, if you're on TikTok, you're on Facebook, this is a right video for you. Option 4 is freelancing. When we are talking about freelancing, I mean writing, social media management, virtual assistant, and many more. If you're a love of writing, like me, if you're good at designing or even managing social media, you can start offering your services on Fiverr or Upwork. Many businesses are looking for help and you can work from home on your own schedule. When I'm teaching these things, I really wonder why some of you cannot make application in market shop. We are really short of manpower, and sometimes we are like, okay, let applications come in, but they not seen. So now what about the bigger organization? They are looking for you guys. Go there and make money as women. Don't waste your time on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, Twitter. Just talking and shouting. Option 5 is voice work. When we're talking about voice work, it's voiceover. You don't even have to show your face, you guys. Like this video, I'm not showing my face. I'm just doing a voiceover. What is a voiceover? A voiceover, you know the transcript, you study it, you know the topic, and you start talking with your mic or with your phone without showing any face. Did you know that brands and YouTubers, they pay people just for their voice? Including me, I do. If you're there and you want to do a voiceover for a market show, please avail yourself. It's me to give you a transcript and you start that. If you have a clear voice, you can record scripts and sell voiceovers on Fiverr or voiceover.com. No need for fancy equipment, just start with your phone, only your phone, and there you go, you start right away. So guys, do you think you can start today? As women, I saw on Women's Day, which was yesterday, a lot, just hours from now, a lot of women were like being congratulated. They are being given messages. Even the ones who cannot put anything on the table and they have a smartphone, that smartphone that you're using to send messages. You guys, hold back, sit down. Say, can I do something with this smartphone? Yes, you can. Why not? And start today. Please take action. You don't need to wait. Pick one of these options, start small and watch it grow. Financial freedom starts with taking action. Ladies, think this Women's Day, let it be of a difference. Let it be different from others. Let's not just be active on social media, only that. Let's not compete in writing the trend messages. Let's start earning from them. Please share this video if you think you're a woman and you need to hear something from this. You can even share it to another woman who needs to hear this, and let's build wealth together. What I need you to do for me in this video, just give me a surprise. Give me, this is a gift for Women's Day, even though it is past, but we're still in the moods of Women's Day. Go for me to the comment section. Write for me what you think about women and social media. This one, if you write, I'll be coming back to make a video on it. Then you can also comment any other thing that you want. You can tell us which method you would love to try first out of these methods I've given you. Then please share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, because when you subscribe, you become part of us. As long as we are online, as long as we are putting something online, we will notify you. You will be notified immediately. So guys, it has been very good, and I'm privileged to be that on your screen right now. Happy Women's Day once again. God bless you all. Let us be women of substance. The virtuous woman is that woman who takes care of the home, who contributes something to the husband, a woman who is not a liability. A woman I'm celebrating today is not that woman who is always on social media shouting, by the way, I'm not celebrating you, who is there not being an example, not teaching anything, but only shouting, and you have a smartphone with internet. You guys, let me see you in another video. Bye-bye.